Oh, were you gonna put your face in the camera?
No.
Oh.
No, I'm going to Chipotle.
Ooh.
Leaving the door open. I love you.
No, wait. Okay, just be quiet when you get back.
I can't do that.
Because then we'll hear front door.
Front door.
And then you're gonna scream out going, hey!
Hey, what you want to drink? Okay.
Right. Let's see what $15 got us for the Allure beauty box. And we are unboxing, trying on, and giving you my first impressions of the August 2019 Allure beauty box. And we are starting now. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, subscription unboxings, first impressions, reviews, and more, start right now by hitting subscribe for new videos weekly. So my Allure beauty box finally decided to make its way to my mailbox along with IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and I'm just like, August is almost over. But then again, I'm like, I'm going on vacation soon, so I feel like I have one less week in August. I'm just trying to get things pre-filmed, edited, and uploaded, so when I am on vacation, there are still some videos up there for you guys to enjoy. So just a heads up in case if I am slower on responding to comments, because I don't know what the internet and data connection is going to be like. Thank you in advance for being patient with me, and just know that I am not ignoring you. Anyway, back to what this video is about, Allure. So if you're not familiar with the Allure beauty box, it is $15 a month. If this is your first time signing up for the Allure beauty box, you can save $5 off your first box, making it $10, and then it would start the next month being $15 a month. In this box, you have a variation of both full-size products and deluxe sample sizes. So if you're interested in seeing the unboxing, try on, and my first impressions of these products, just keep on watching. And this is the box, so there's no loose products. Throw that over there for recycling. We have our handy dandy card to give us a rundown of the products in August's box. And then we have this useless bag that ends up going in the trash, which I feel bad. I'm trying to figure out a way to repurpose these. Maybe I'll just put my coupons in. I haven't couponed in like the longest time. I am just addicted to going to Costco and buying everything in bulk. So if you guys get the Allure box, what do you guys do with these? And we open her up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. That is not bad for $15. It's like we have like a good variation of products. We have a tool, we have some makeup, we have some skincare. To kick off the unboxing, we're gonna start with the mini makeup eraser. This retails for $12, and the full size, I believe, retails for $20. And I have picked up my makeup erasers in the past from Sephora, and I really like these, especially when I use a cleansing balm. I like to be able to put on my cleansing balm, wet this, and then remove my balm as so. And it really does a good job of removing your makeup in case if you don't want to use your hands. But I also feel like it's more effective if you are using a washcloth or a makeup eraser. But the kicker is, before you can even use your makeup eraser, you must wash this in your washer and dryer first. Otherwise, it doesn't work. I've already gone through one and got like really gross, but I also have like 3 more, so I'm actually gonna set this one aside for a future giveaway. I'm not sure how long you should keep them, just because I don't get rid of my towels that often, but it says you want to wash this 1 to 2 times per week. I wash mine twice a week. I have a hair towel, I have a body towel. Gryffindor has a hair towel and body towel. A couple weeks ago, he was like, is it weird if I have a hair towel? And I'm like, your hair is getting longer-ish. It's starting to poof out a little bit. So I'm like, I don't care. We have like 30 towels for the 2 of us. Don't ask why we have 30 towels. It's just accumulated, and it's not like all of our towels match either. So we have white towels, we have dark blue towels, green towels, purple towels. I know you probably didn't care what color towels we have. You know, we were talking about towels, and all right, we're moving on. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because you could be winning one of these in a future giveaway. Next, we have the Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. A full size of this retails for $40. I am very intrigued by this because it says the words water and cream, and your girl loves a good water cream. Tatcha and Belief. Sunday Riley also has a water cream too, which I've been wanting to try as well. I have not tried anything by Primera before. I haven't even heard of it, if I'm being completely honest, but this is a little jar. This would be good for travel. I'm just going to take a little bit right here. Ooh, okay, it feels good. feels very similar to like the Tatcha water cream, and I'm just gonna put some on my head. So it feels the same, like consistency wise, and as you apply it. So my head feels pretty hydrated. We're out running errands, so like my face just feels dead. This was actually really nice. This definitely has my attention now. Obviously I did not cleanse prior to putting it on. We just got back from errands, which we had a lot of fun doing. I don't know, there was something weird with like Ulta system when I was trying to return stuff. It was saying not found, but I just bought stuff earlier in the month and it was like no. But I got store credit back because I know it's just gonna be turnaround spent anyway in the store, but still it's kind of annoying. But then we went to Target, and I left Target empty-handed. Never happens. And we went to Walmart and spent money there. They had a better graphic tee selection. I got a Toy Story and a Marvel one. I don't even know why I am just giving you about my day. The focus of this video is Allure Beauty Box. I am so sorry, guys. ADD. The coffee is kicking in. My brain is like 10 miles ahead of what I'm giving you right now. This definitely has my attention. I wish it was a larger size because I actually really like this. Maybe this has to be on like my Sephora loves now. I want to read some more reviews to see. What I have found with water creams, both with the Tatcha and the Belief, is that they are creams. They are not gels. They feel like a cream, but they hydrate like a gel, which I love. Gels are very lightweight, and when I use a gel moisturizer, tend to not get that oily, with the exception of like my T-zone. It's bound to happen. Like if I were to use my beloved It in a Confidence cream in the morning, my whole face will be completely oily. I would have to use those blotting pads at the bare minimum twice, just because of how fast my pores are secreting oil. Third, we have the Erno Lazola Multitask Eye Serum Masks. A full size, which I'm assuming like you get a couple packs, not just this one, retails for $35. I really enjoy eye masks. My favorite ones are the Skin Iceland ones. Those are just amazing. I do find them very hydrating and relieving of the puffiness, so I'm really interested to see how these compare to them. Amber has always joked about we should put these on before we leave our house, and on our commute to work just have them chilling and then just take them off before we walk into our building. Great idea. Like if you don't feel like putting on concealer, I feel like that's a great life hack. So I might put these to the test and see. Maybe I'll look more awake using these in the morning, because I feel like a zombie when I walk in just because didn't get enough sleep. I'm gonna sit an hour in traffic. That's how my mornings go, in case if you're wondering. Next we have the Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. Ooh, an eye cream. I am excited. A full size is $40. I'm wondering if this is a full size because it's 0.5 fluid ounces. This eye cream has an unusual and very useful applicator. The plastic disc prevents you from pressing too hard, because if you press too hard, that can wrinkle delicate under eyes. I believe that. It helps spread the product evenly. The antioxidant-rich formula absorbs quickly and wears well under makeup. For me, it's so hard to find an eye cream that will keep my under eyes hydrated. Otherwise, my concealer will cake and crease and ain't cute. Even if you said it, that's the thing. It's just so dry right here. Unlike a lot of eye creams, it doesn't crease my concealer. Oh, I'm jumping to conclusions. I'm sorry. It also helps bring down morning puffiness right away and moisturizes to visibly plump fine lines. Got a line there, got a line there. Those are fine lines. Should have not had a venti macchiato before this. Plus, I like how easily I can read the ingredients. Cucumber, ginseng, and not a single word I can't pronounce. Fragrance is the second to last ingredient, so hopefully that doesn't irritate my under eyes. And then the last ingredient is a preservative, which is phenoxyethanol, very common in a lot of skincare. Ooh, okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, applicator. I do want to try this. We're just gonna squeeze. Oh! A little bit out. Oh wow, yeah, my under eyes are very dry. Oh, this feels good. I have like random like little pimples or texture like right there, right in here, and now there's one on my eyelid. Like, the hell? I look like I'm putting mascara on with my mouth open. Like, I think I need a little bit more on this side. Side's like extra dry. So it is hydrating. I do like that. I do like this applicator. I feel like it's still a little rough though as to like dabbing your finger, so I do need to explore that a little bit more. I've had so many eye cream rants on my channel, but it's gonna really be hard to beat my Ole Henriksen Banana Sea eye cream. Ding ding ding, if that's what you guessed. We just received an eye cream from Allure like a couple boxes ago, which I'm still on the fence about it. This one definitely has my attention a little bit more. more. My banana seed eye cream. It's running low. It's in a project pan, and I'm very, very sad. You know, I wonder if I tried putting on my banana seed eye cream without squeezing some of this and then rubbing it in. I think we have some good skincare items. And now we got makeup, which is probably what you were waiting for. Don't get me wrong, I love my makeup, but I get really excited with skincare. See the redness, the texture? Oh, it's because I'm stressed. I'm always stressed, and if you tell me not to worry about something, I'm still gonna worry about it. I just got my hair did, and I already got some grays peeking back out because of stress. So the texture, the gray hairs, are proof that I'm stressed. Next, we have the Laritzi Liquid Beam, and we received the shade Topaz. And I believe this is a full size, and it retails for $22. Woo! So I just ripped the box. I am so sorry, because I was gonna set this aside for a giveaway. If you end up winning this and you're wondering why the box is ripped, refer to this video. It is so pretty, but your girl is not the biggest fan of liquid highlighters, so that's why it's going back in the box for one of you guys. I don't know what it is. Just kidding. I do know what it is because I'm really bad at blending out liquid highlighters. I have tried it with a sponge, dabbing it in. I've tried it with a brush, and it's just not my favorite finish. Until I find a liquid highlighter that is blended out really nice, which the L'Oreal Luma Drops did in my full face of L'Oreal makeup, that is beaming and finishes like an Ofra highlighter, then I'm gonna love it. And I really want to try it. Part of it is because like I don't have patience. I am a fierce Aries. I will be the first to say that. And patience is one thing I kind of lack. I just feel like I'm there forever with a liquid highlighter. Sometimes I just don't like how it blends out. I've tried it with my finger, it's even worse. Tried it with a brush, it goes all over the place. So hopefully you guys enjoyed liquid highlighters and are excited to possibly win one in a future giveaway. Next we have the Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color, and we received the shade Paris. Now is Cargo making a comeback because I also received a Cargo blush in my Tribe Beauty box, which was okay. I did not hate it, but I did not love it, and then again I still haven't tried it with foundation. It's a brand I hardly ever hear about. Oh wait, this is actually really pretty, and this is what the color looks like. I did not expect this color to be that pretty, and I kind of was gonna just write it off, but it has my attention. It's kind of like how I felt about the Wander Beauty Oil from BOXYCHARM. Let's do a swatch. Ooh, we're gonna try it. These aren't my favorite shapes of bullet lipsticks. If it looks like crap, fair warning. Ooh, it's super creamy and pigmented. I'm running into issues applying it. It's supposed to like probably help, and it's making it worse for my upper lip. It is a stunning shade. Now I will say I think $22, it's a little pricey for a lipstick. I mean, MAC is increasing their prices by the day, it seems like. I remember when they were like, what, $15 for a bullet lipstick. You could probably get about 3 of the ColourPop bullet lipsticks for this price. But I will say, it's a very comfortable formula. This red is gorgeous. I might have to add this into my travel makeup for my vacation. It is super creamy. It's pigmented. The only thing is that I struggle putting it on. Prefer more of like the point, like a traditional bullet lipstick. Definitely creamy. I'm sensing more of like a satin finish than a matte finish. We'll try a transfer test. Yep, I expected that, but my lips still have pigment on. You can't even tell I did this. I'm still like processing what just happened because I actually really like that shade. Because in here it's like more orange, and I was expecting that orange, but no, we got this fierce red. And then the last product we received is by Benefit, their Real Mascara. This has been one of my favorite mascaras for the longest time. I think I have like a tube or 2 of a full size, which retails for $25. And I also have some deluxe sizes, so I am gonna set this aside as well. For this future giveaway, we have a makeup mini eraser, a Laritzi highlighter, and then their Real Mascara. Lots of good goodies coming your guys' way. I really love how this mascara lengthens. I do have to use my Lancome XL Booster to get a nice volume, but that's just me because I got pitiful lashes, and I do think you can get a lot of use out of a deluxe size mascara. Overall, I really love this box. I think we got some great products. We definitely have some products that took me by surprise and caught my attention. And we also have 3 products that we are giving back to you guys. Not gonna lie, I have been really enjoying Allure. I didn't think I was gonna enjoy it as much just because I'm like, deluxe size products, but they do a really good mixture of the two. This box is also really balanced with skincare and makeup, which I really enjoyed as well. Let me know if you guys have the Allure beauty box. Were there any other variations? Did we get the same products? And if we did, let me know in the comments what were your thoughts on these products. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, I forgot about my swatch. I just got lipstick on my fingers. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video. Look at that staining power. We have a little bit of a stain on my hand.